हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपने मेरी लास्ट वीडियो देखी जिसमें मैंने अपने न्यू गैजेट आईफोन 15 प्रो मैक्स को इंट्रोड्यूस किया। अब मैं आपके सामने आईफोन की वॉच लेके आई हूँ अगेन, जिसकी अनबॉक्सिंग मैं अपने बेटे से कहूँगी कि वो करे और मेरी हेल्प करे इसमें करने के लिए। और वैसे भी एक बहुत फ़ख्र की बात है जब सारी फैमिली इकट्ठी होके कोई काम करती है, कोई नई चीज़ आई है उसको एंजॉय करती है और सब इकट्ठे मिलके उसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। तो जी चलिए हम आपके सामने ये इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं और इसके बाद एक वीडियो और आपको देखने की मिलेगी जिसका काफ़ी महीनों से इंतज़ार था और उसकी अनबॉक्सिंग भी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में होगी।
So this is the Apple Watch Series 9. The color is midnight. So this is the newest Apple Watch. I'm going to unbox this here.
I'm so excited.
So here you have advertised the different bands, the different designs that Apple is showing that you can change the bands with. So it comes with a silicone band.
Yeah.
With a stainless steel pin and a sport armband. There's a sport band. Okay. And here is the watch. So first, open the watch. Like the iPhone, it has the tab on the top. And it has a tab on the bottom. Was it recording?
And here's the watch.
So here's the watch. Now it has designed by Apple in California, made in China.
Is it really?
Not all the electronics are made in China.
Okay.
So here it has a tiny little pouch.
Wow.
And the watch is inside the pouch, I believe.
If you move a little forward. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
it comes out of the pouch, I think, somehow.
This is the first time we are opening an Apple Watch.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Go be careful not to break it. So, oh, it accidentally turned on.
Oh.
Well, there you go.
It's saying you didn't turn the phone on, so I'm turning on.
Here's the Apple Watch. Here is the sensor that it has that detects your heart rate, your blood pressure, things like that.
Okay.
So it's a fitness tracker. If you're female, it will track your menstrual cycle as well. It has that ability. It's saying to connect it to a phone.
Yeah.
This is the setup, which we will be doing here in just a moment.
Okay.
And okay, so inside this
Is the charger.
we have the charging cable. So I'm just going to take this out. So this is a wireless charger actually.
Wow.
So when you are using wanting to charge the battery, I think you just simply place this on. It's a magnetic battery on the white side, and they'll charge it for you. So that's quite handy. You don't have to constantly plug your device
Yeah,
in.
there's nowhere to plug on the watch, so obviously it's got to be somewhere magnetic.
Yep.
So this
would
is
plug,
how it is. Yeah.
and this will plug into a regular similar charger to the other one.
To the phone. Yeah. Okay.
Now I'm going to put this on the
And
side.
then you're going to do the
Strap.
strap.
So with the strap, it has the tag on the top.
Everything has tags.
Yep. Security and all that.
Wow.
So here we have the watch There we go. I only broke the box a little bit. And you have... So not the cleanest of unboxings, but you have right here the Apple Watch. Now, let's see if I could figure out how to install it without any...
Without breaking it.
well, without any instructions. And yeah,
Okay.
that's actually quite good. It's just slides in, both sides. So on the bottom, it's a little difficult.
Maybe from the other side. Maybe it goes from this side to this side.
Perhaps. Yep.
Yeah, I
There you
was
go.
right. I never had this watch, but I know it could be.
And there you
Yeah.
go. And it has a little clasp.
Oh, put it on me.
Okay.
There we go.
And there you go. Is that comfortable?
There,
Or do you want it
yeah.
tighter a little bit?
Very
Shall I
soft,
put
very
a
comfortable.
little bit tighter, or not? Is that
No,
good?
that's fine.
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
Very good.
That's my Apple Watch, guys. How do you like it? I feel like an alien with all these gadgets around me. And I thank my son for helping me to unbox these items. And very excited, very excited. And these are presents for my birthday because I'm turning big this year. Can any one of you guess what my age is going to be this year? Okay, I'll tell you when my birthday comes. Till that time, if you can guess, do write it in the comments. What do you think my age is going to be on my this birthday in July? Okay, everybody knows actually, my close followers, those who are coming regular to my channel, they all are aware of how old I am. But I'm blessed to have all my followers, those who have become friends, and we meet every day and we talk every day. So thankful to all of you to help me reach where I am today. Thank you so much, friends. With your blessings, we will have more items to show you. And don't forget the next video about our silver play button, and that will be on after this video. So you have two videos, one for the iPhone, one for the Apple Watch, and the third one will be our YouTube silver play button celebration. Thank you so much for being with us. Bye for now.